Okay, another matrix math video. I mean, there's lots more to matrix math. And again, let me encourage you, I will link to it in this video's description, to check out 3 Blue 1 Brown's YouTube channel, which is a whole series about linear algebra. I'm just kind of implementing the minimum that I need for this neural network example that I want to build in JavaScript. So the missing piece, and I just talked about at the end of the last video, is to transpose a matrix. Transposing a matrix means take all the rows and make them columns. So A, B, C, this row becomes the first column, A, B, C. This row becomes the first column, D, E, F. Now, this is yet another function which requires me to make a new matrix. So I'm not actually taking the matrix. I could take the matrix and redo it, but I think what I'm going to do is let's just write this function, transpose. And the first thing I need to do is make a new matrix, which I will call result again, equals a new matrix. And it has the number of rows that it used to have columns. And it has the number of columns that it used to have rows. And I should be able to just say now, it should be as easy as if I was ever going through the entire matrix. And I should be just saying that the results matrix Ij equals the, and actually I should say the results matrix Ji equals this matrix Ij. Do we see this now? It's possible I got this backwards, but it should be, if I'm iterating over all the rows and columns, every row column position should become the column row position. So I should be able to just say J index I equals of the new matrix is this matrix Ij. That should work. So, and then I need to say return again, return result. Okay, so let's test this out. Could I really have done this quickly? Very unlikely. Oh, why am I saying plus equals? It should not be plus equals. It should just literally be equal. And if I go into the sketch that I had, and all I need is A, so I'm going to have this random one, and then I'm going to say let B equal A dot transpose. And then I'm going to say console.table A and console.table B. All right, let's take a look. I'm not accounting for the number of rows and columns differences. I think that I am. Hold on, let's take a look. Probably get this wrong. Whoops. And of course, I need to console the actual matrix object to see it. Try this again. 674-109, 617049, 674-674-109-109. All right, I think we got transpose correct. That's great. So we did this. We're done. We're done with the matrix math videos. And it's the next thing I need to do is actually start thinking about how does this feed forward algorithm work. If I were to write a feed forward function and I were to give it some input, if I were to feed some input, how do I ultimately return some guess? So this is where lots of matrix math needs to happen. So again, if you're interested, I'm also going to link to 3 Blue 1 Brown's video, What is a Neural Network? It's an excellent animated explanation of a lot of the things that I covered in the earlier videos in this playlist. But what I'm going to do is try to write the code for the neural network right here. Once we have that done, I think I'm going to just try doing a couple tests. Like I'm going to solve a problem called XOR, which is a really simple problem. And I'm also going to look at the MNIST data set, which is kind of like the hello world of machine learning with this neural network. And then with the idea of just seeing if it works so that I can then, once I know that it works, I can do some more creative stuff with it. Okay? So thanks everybody, and see you in the next video.